Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 200 pack of champagne colored roses. Now these would be perfect for any wedding because you can use them as just a tabletop. You can actually put leaves on them. There's so many things. I mean, even put it in your bouquet. These have a 7.5-inch bendable stem here, and then a little 3-inch little flower on the top. Feels like a nice foam. I mean, it's not gonna do anything. I'm crushing around on it and it is not destroying it at all. And then you have all of your leaves are all separate. So I love that it is optional. And to use it, you've got this little hole right there in the center. You just simply take the stem, put it through there, and now you have this beautiful flower you can put into vases. Like I said, you can set them out on tables. Or if you wanted just to have them, like I said, carrying around, you can make cute little corsages. Just cut off this little metal part. And I mean, this would be so pretty with any sort of decoration that you have. And with 200 of these baddies, there is endless possibilities of what you can do with them. So these would be great for any party or wedding.